Here's your letter. That's your card from Grandma Sylvia. Open it.
I got red.
Can you get it?
Yep.
That's the bottom of it. It works. You're doing good.
Just have it. I might have money in it. Thank you.
Huh?
I have money in it.
She got him a bubble mower though, so I don't know.
You got money in it?
I don't know. She got you a bubble mower too, remember?
Open it up. You got it?
Yep. Monkeys.
Monkeys? You like monkeys?
I need help. Monkeys.
Monkeys.
Can I see?
Oh, I'm offended.
Let's see.
Are you offended as I am?
I am so offended.
You got money.
Oh my gosh!
How
You
much is
did!
$4?
Yeah, because she got him a present.
Because he's
too.
4.
Oh, are you passing them out? You don't need to pass them out. What do
That's
you
your
say?
money.
What do you say to Grandma?
Thank you.
Oh.